I'm Dr. John McDougall. We talked a little bit about protein, and I hope I've convinced you that a vegetarian, vegan, starch-based McDougall diet, plant food-based diet is always sufficient in protein. There's never a problem. You don't have any friends or relatives with protein deficiency. It's a complete nonsense topic, but it will continue. People will continue to talk about it. After you convince your friends that a starch-based diet, a McDougall diet, a plant food-based diet is sufficient in protein, then go back at them. That's right, counter this and explain to them the problem is never deficiency of protein, the problem is excess protein. That's right. People typically take in too much protein, and the consequences on their health is devastating. I mean, consider you need a certain amount of protein. So you eat food, you get the protein you need, and then you have extra. What do you do with that extra protein? Do you store it? I don't think so. If you store it, you store it in your muscles. And everybody looked like a bodybuilder. No, that protein has to be gotten rid of by the body. It places a burden on the body, and then it has to be eliminated. Well, one of the primary burdens from all that excess protein is that protein is made up of amino acids. Acid. And so the body has to buffer that acid, and it dissolves the bones to buffer the acid. That's the beginning of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is caused by a high protein, high acid diet, and that's the American diet. What foods are high in protein and high in acid? Well, they're red meat, poultry, fish, chicken, and I mentioned that poultry, didn't I? It deserves another mention. Isolated soy proteins, seafood. These things, cheese. Cheese is one of the highest acid, highest protein things that people eat. So there you begin osteoporosis. That protein load also presents a serious burden because that excess protein that you don't use has to be gotten rid of. And that's the job of the liver and kidneys. And you overwork those two organs, the liver and kidneys, and you cause them damage. This is particularly important for people who already have diseases of the liver and kidneys. So learn a little bit about protein and challenge your friends. Tell them it's not a problem of protein deficiency. It's not my problem, not me who eats a healthy diet. It's your problem, you eating excess protein and damaging your body seriously. I'm Dr. John McDougall. Thank you for listening.